Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to format a hard drive using the disk management feature. So first, I already have my hard drive plugged in. So it's called test external hard drive, and as you can see there's only one file or one document in this particular drive. So it's going to let us know that we actually formatted the hard drive at the end of the video. So next you want to go to your search bar and type in disk management and go ahead and click enter, and it's going to bring you into the disk management window. So as you can see, my hard drive is right here under disk number 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, and where it says format you can go ahead and click format. And for the volume label, you can go ahead and change the volume label to whichever name you want the drive to be. So let's say this is a 500 gig hard drive backup. Now for the file system, you want to go ahead and leave it as NTFS, which is really the default file system for a lot of Windows. And exFAT is more for if you want to use Linux or Mac operating system. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to use NTFS, and allocation unit size is going to be default. And I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick format. So it's whichever you prefer. Quick format is really quick, hence the name. And if you do uncheck the little check mark here, it's going to perform a regular standard format, which does take some time. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick format really quick here. And it's going to ask you, do you want to continue? I'm going to click OK. And as you can see, it was formatting and now it's finished. So I'm going to exit the window, go back to the File Explorer, and as you can see, the name's already changed and my test document is completely gone, which means it's already been formatted. And pretty much that's all there is to it on how to format your hard drive or USB hard drive via the disk management feature. Thanks for watching.